A new reality introducing MetaQuest Pro. This is not just another VR headset, it's a gateway to a new dimension of experiences. MetaQuest Pro is a marvel of engineering. Every component has been meticulously designed to deliver an unparalleled experience. It's a mixed reality headset that pushes boundaries. Imagine a device that seamlessly blends the digital and physical worlds. This headset isn't just about escaping into virtual worlds, it's about enhancing our reality, making the impossible possible. It's about bringing the virtual world into our own. Picture virtual objects interacting with your real environment, creating a hybrid space. Imagine attending a meeting with colleagues across the globe, all while never leaving your desk. You can see and interact with their avatars as if they were right there with you. This is the promise of MetaQuest Pro. It's not just a tool for entertainment, but a powerful device for productivity and collaboration. MetaQuest Pro is packed with features. From its ergonomic design to its intuitive controls, every aspect has been crafted for ease of use. It boasts high-resolution displays for stunning visuals. The clarity and detail will make you feel like you're truly there. It utilizes advanced sensors for precise tracking. Every movement you make is captured with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring a seamless experience. With MetaQuest Pro, the lines between the real and virtual blur. Step into a world where the boundaries of reality are redefined and your imagination is the only limit. Whether you're an artist, a designer, or a creator, MetaQuest Pro offers tools that can transform your creative process. Design, sculpt, and build in ways you never thought possible. For gamers, MetaQuest Pro delivers an immersive experience like no other. Feel the adrenaline rush as you dive into your favorite games with unprecedented realism. It's also a device for connection. Share experiences with family and friends, explore new worlds together, and create memories that transcend the physical space. MetaQuest Pro adapts to your lifestyle. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, it provides a versatile platform for all your needs. Welcome to the future of mixed reality. Welcome to MetaQuest Pro. Blending Worlds Mixed Reality Explained. Mixed reality, often abbreviated as MR, is a fascinating technology that merges the physical and digital worlds. It creates an environment where real and virtual elements coexist and interact in real time. Mixed reality is a hybrid of virtual reality and augmented reality. While virtual reality immerses you in a completely digital environment, augmented reality overlays digital elements onto the real world. Mixed reality takes the best of both, creating a seamless blend where digital and physical objects can interact. Virtual reality immerses you in a completely digital environment. You put on a VR headset and are transported to a different world, whether it's a fantastical game setting or a realistic simulation. Everything you see and hear is generated by the computer, making it a fully immersive experience. Augmented reality overlays digital elements onto the real world. Using AR glasses or a smartphone, you can see digital information superimposed on your physical surroundings. This could be anything from navigation directions to interactive game characters appearing in your living room. Mixed reality takes the best of both. It allows digital content to be anchored to your physical space, creating a more interactive and engaging experience. Imagine being able to place a digital model on your desk and interact with it as if it were a real object. It anchors digital content to your physical space. This means that digital objects can stay fixed in place as you move around them, providing a sense of presence and realism that is unmatched by other technologies. Imagine interacting with three-dimensional models on your desk. You can walk around them, view them from different angles, and even manipulate them with your hands. This level of interaction opens up new possibilities for design, education, and entertainment. You can walk around them, view them from different angles, and even manipulate them with your hands. This interaction is the power of mixed reality. It allows you to engage with digital content in a way that feels natural and intuitive. This interaction is the power of mixed reality. It transforms how we work, learn, and play. In the workplace, Emster can be used for virtual meetings, collaborative design, and training simulations. In education, it can bring subjects to life, making learning more interactive and engaging. It transforms how we work, learn, and play. In gaming, Emster offers immersive experiences that go beyond traditional screen-based play. Players can interact with game elements in their physical space, creating a more engaging and dynamic experience. Mixed reality is not just a technology, it's a new way of experiencing the world. a crisp new view, high resolution and color in mixed reality. The MetaQuest Pro is designed to push the boundaries of what we can see and experience in virtual environments. MetaQuest Pro boasts high-resolution displays. These displays are engineered to provide crystal-clear visuals, making every detail stand out. This feature is crucial for a truly immersive mixed reality experience. When you put on the headset, you are transported to a world where the lines between the virtual and the real blur. Imagine examining a detailed architectural model. With the MetaQuest Pro, you can explore every nook and cranny of the design, as if you were holding the model in your hands. You can see every line, texture and shadow. The high-resolution display ensures that even the smallest details are visible, enhancing the realism of the virtual environment. This level of detail is possible with MetaQuest Pro. The advanced technology behind the headset allows for a level of precision that is unmatched in the industry. High-definition color further enhances the experience. The vibrant colors make the virtual world come alive, adding depth and richness to the visuals. Colors appear vivid and lifelike. This is not just about making things look pretty, it's about creating an environment that feels real and engaging. This accuracy is essential for tasks like design and visualization. Whether you're an architect, a designer, or a gamer, the ability to see and interact with high-fidelity visuals is crucial. It ensures that what you see in mixed reality matches the real world. The MetaQuest Pro's high-resolution and color capabilities make it a powerful tool for anyone looking to explore the potential of mixed reality. Bridging distances, collaborative design, and mixed reality. Collaboration is at the heart of MetaQuest Pro. Imagine architects and engineers working together on a building design. They can be located in different parts of the world, yet they can meet in a shared mixed reality space. They can walk through the virtual building together. They can make changes in real time and see the results instantly. This ability to collaborate remotely saves time and money. It also fosters innovation through shared perspectives. Section 5. Real-world applications, from architecture to engineering. The applications of MetaQuest Pro are vast. Architects can use it to present designs to clients. They can walk clients through a virtual model of their future home. This immersion helps clients understand the design better. Engineers can use MetaQuest Pro to collaborate on complex projects. They can visualize data in new ways. This visualization leads to better problem-solving and decision-making. Section 6. The power of presence, enhanced communication and understanding. Mixed reality fosters a sense of presence. This feeling of being there is powerful. It enhances communication and understanding. Imagine attending a training session in mixed reality. You can interact with virtual objects and environments. You can learn by doing, which is more engaging. This immersive learning leads to better knowledge retention. Section 7. Streamlining workflows, from concept to completion. MetaQuest Pro streamlines workflows. Designers can sketch ideas in mixed reality. They can experiment with different concepts easily. This ability to iterate quickly speeds up the design process. Teams can work together seamlessly. They can review designs and provide feedback in real time. This collaborative approach reduces errors and improves efficiency. Section 8. Breaking down barriers, accessibility and inclusivity in collaboration. MetaQuest Pro promotes inclusivity. It allows people with disabilities to participate in ways that were previously difficult. Imagine a deaf architect using the headset. They can see their colleagues' spoken words transcribed in real time within the mixed reality environment. This accessibility feature levels the playing field. It ensures that everyone can contribute their ideas and talents. Section 9. The future of work, mixed reality and the evolving workplace. MetaQuest Pro offers a glimpse into the future of work. The traditional office is evolving. Remote work and collaboration are becoming increasingly common. Mixed reality tools like MetaQuest Pro bridge the gap. They allow teams to connect and collaborate regardless of location. This connectedness leads to a more flexible and productive work environment. Section 10. Beyond design, exploring other applications of mixed reality. The potential of mixed reality extends beyond design. Imagine surgeons using MetaQuest Pro for training. They can practice complex procedures in a safe and controlled environment. This practice leads to improved skills and patient outcomes. Educators can use it to create immersive learning experiences. Students can explore ancient civilizations. Students can explore the human body in 3D. This interactive learning makes education more engaging and effective. Section 11, Conclusion, MetaQuest Pro, a leap forward in collaboration. MetaQuest Pro represents a significant step forward in mixed reality. It's a powerful tool for collaboration, design, and communication. Its high-resolution displays and advanced sensors create a truly immersive experience. As we venture further into the digital age, tools like MetaQuest Pro will become increasingly important. They will shape the future of how we work, learn, and connect with each other.